Hi dear students, welcome to GATE Academy 2.0. Here there is an announcement from our GATE Academy team about the PD course, full course in English language. Earlier we used to have subject wise, topic wise, subject wise courses in English, but this time the full packed course is coming in PD version, GD version, VOD version, tablet version for 3 branches: EE, ECE and IN people also. And this course is launching in English. Up to now people are having GATE Academy videos means in Hindi, but this time we are launching in English. So this launching starts from 1st June to 5th June. 1st June to 5th June. As a launching offer, we are giving a flat 18,000 off on the all content of the PD course. Especially in this pandemic situation where the entire India is facing the problem regarding the offline coaching, GATE Academy 2.0 has done a splendid job with respect to the online coaching, and it also understood the importance of recorded videos. Why? Because every time the students may not be able to join the live classes, so they want to purchase the recording, and the recording content must be as par as with the live classes. We assure from the GATE Academy 2.0 family, each and every content and each and every subject is thoroughly explained with ample number of hours, whether it may be analog by Sonal sir, measurements by Satish sir, EMT by some other Kranti sir, whatever this, all the content is approved content, and the best hours of the content is going to be guaranteed for each and every student. So it is launching in English. So those, especially the South Indian students who are interested to take the subject wise complete course in English language, they can use this opportunity. So there is a flat 18,000 off for the aspirants of GATE 22-23 people. So they can utilize this opportunity and they can prepare well by sitting at home, and they can be in touch with the faculty in other live sessions also. So I wish you all the best from the family of GATE Academy 2.0. Please utilize this opportunity to the best maximum. Please stay at home and prepare well for the GATE 2022. Thank you all.